Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy mutual funds on Etrade. First, log into your Etrade account using your credentials. Once logged in, find the Trade tab, usually located in the main navigation menu. Click on it, and then select Mutual Funds from the drop-down options. This will take you to the Mutual Funds trading page, where you can start exploring investment opportunities. Remember to check your account balance to ensure you meet any initial investment requirements. Now that you're on the mutual funds page, it's time to find the right fund for you. Etrade offers a powerful fund screener tool to help you narrow down thousands of options. You can filter by various criteria, such as expense ratio, Morningstar rating, and specific fund families. It's crucial to review each fund's prospectus, which provides essential details on its objectives, risks, fees, and historical performance. This research helps you make informed decisions aligned with your financial goals. Once you've identified a mutual fund that fits your investment strategy, click the Buy button associated with that fund. You'll then be prompted to enter the dollar amount you wish to invest. Be mindful of any initial minimum purchase requirements, which can vary by fund. Some Etrade no-fee index funds have no minimum initial investment. You'll also have the option to choose how you want to handle dividends. Either reinvest them back into the fund to buy more shares or receive them as cash. Review your order carefully before proceeding. After entering your investment details, you'll typically see a preview screen. This is your chance to review all the order information, including the fund name, investment amount, and dividend preference, to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction to place your order. Etrade processes mutual fund orders at the end of the trading day, so your purchase will reflect the closing price. And hey, if you're looking to deepen your financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.